Hey guys, this is Faraz and welcome back to this channel. And guys, when I requested to the song from movie Pogaru, I mean the title track of that movie Pogaru title track, which stars Dhruva Sarja and Rashmika Mandanna in the lead roles, and it's a Kannada movie. So when I reacted to that song, you guys have been requesting continuously to check out the another song from this movie, which is known as Karabu. And I don't know if this song features Rashmika Mandanna or not, because the title song didn't feature her at all. And you guys were angry, some of you guys were angry that I called Rashmika Mandanna a national crush. So guys, please let me inform you that it is not coming from me, it is coming from Google. If you type in Google who is the national crush of India right now, it answers, the answers which comes up, it is Rashmika Mandanna. So it is not my fault that she is right now the national crush of India. So first of all, so sorry to you guys who thought that it's coming from me. It's not from me. I don't think that at all, that she is the national crush or not. Who am I to think that she is the national crush or not? It's what Google says. So that was I said in that video, and some of you guys were offended and got angry that I called her the national crush. But trust me, it wasn't me, it was the Google. And even I came to know it from Google. So that is why I know it. But so keeping that fact aside and clearing that out. So guys, this is another song from movie Pogaru, and I really loved the song Pogaru title track. So you guys have been requesting to check this song out, Karabu, and I think it came first. I think it came before all other songs from this movie, because it got over 200 million views. So guys, without wasting any time, let's just check this song out and then we are gonna talk about it. Music lyrics singer Chandan Shetty. Action Prince, yes. It features Rashmika Mandanna.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಲವ್ ಮೂಡಲಿರುವಾಗ ಹಬ್ಬ ಮಾಡಬಿಟ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Are they after her? No, they are not after her. They are with him. He is so swaggy, action Prince Dhruva Sarja. Oh, this song got so much similar vibes to Pogaru title track. I think the singer is same for both the songs. Oh, nice. Smoothly done. Man, even with that body, he is so fluid with his legs. Wow. So is he a criminal warlord or something, or gangster? Everybody is wearing a mask. That's a smooth sidewalk. He really likes to display his strength. He was carrying it like that fish. And like Kishore. Yeah, I am still unable to check this movie out with English subtitles, and I mean, I didn't get a single show here when this movie came out, but I'm still trying to find it with English subtitles, guys. So don't worry about it. As soon as I watch it, I'm gonna review this movie. I'm gonna talk about this movie. As I already mentioned that Dhruva Sarja likes to display his strength, and why won't he? He worked hard for that. I mean, even you guys have already told me that how hard he worked for this movie. On this movie, he gave his 3 years to this movie, and to gain weight and to build this muscle and body. So why not display it? Why not show it off? So he really likes to display it all. But aside from that, I really like the fact that he dances really well, even with that body, even with that strength, because it's very difficult to move. So guys, I really like this actor here. I really like this guy, his dedication and his work. And you guys have already told me too much about his previous works, his movies, and how he works a lot for a single film, and he tries to give his 100% for a single project. So that is also very another good thing about this guy. So yeah, I'm very much looking forward to check his previous works, and then of course Pogaru. I'm very much looking forward to watch Pogaru here. Also coming back to this song feels similar, very similar like Pogaru title track, and it's maybe because of the singer. I think the singer of the both song is same, Chandan Shetty, and he's also the lyricist of this. So guys, this was my reaction to the song of Pogaru movie Karabu, another song, and it features Rashmika Mandanna with him, and I think and guys, don't forget to suggest me more content of Kannada cinema, or more content of Dhruva Sarja, more songs to react to. If there are more songs out from this movie, then do let me know about them too in the comments below. And if you really like this reaction and really like this video, then please hit that like button. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit that subscribe button below for more videos like this, and push the notification bell icon so you never miss another update from the channel. And guys, if you have any more suggestions like movie reviews, reactions, then please drop them in the comments too, and your thoughts about this song and this reaction too. And until then guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep watching and keep supporting.